Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kejela Assam Himanta Biswas Sarma hagasngi balang jong katayo ulawan ban play ke Jakasa nakabenta kipat benreu Karbi ya kabala tip kum ke Karbi Hampton pada kejo kopor ulabo maunong rim ban China ya ke hostel ke basis pa jing thia bat kidukan ha Karbi Hampton kani ke Jaka kadon Mar Persha pat ke school Pine Mount ha Shillong. Haba ajing keren yang ngasngi Himanta ulaong badai ke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council kabalatay ya kate ke Karbi Hampton. Ulakin tho bagi pat Karbi kidon gajingnya day kabajan bat kinong song ke Meghalaya ha kabagi don marjan ha kaput pada ulakam bagi day kiparlong. Ula ai kublay ru yung menteri Rangba Kejela Conrad sangma nakabenta ke Ieid jong u yiki pat Karbi Anglong bat ru yiki nong song ke Assam.
KAC, Executive Member of Karbi Autonomous Council, the Chief Executive Member of Khasi Hills District Council, Autonomous Council, Chief Executive Member of Jaintia Hills District Autonomous Council, Chief Executive Member of Garo Hills District Autonomous Council, ladies and gentlemen. Today is another important day for our history. Karbi Autonomous Council established a nice Karbi Hampton for the people who comes to Shillong. And today we both Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya Dr. Conrad and myself got the privilege to inaugurate this beautiful Hampton. I'd like to thank Karbi Autonomous Council, its Chief Executive Member Dr. Tuliram Ronghang and entire team for this great achievement. This entire journey would not have been possible without the support from the government of Meghalaya. They have kindly allowed us to construct this Hampton, and Dr. Sri Conrad Sangma, Honorable CM of Meghalaya, has spared his valuable time to inaugurate this beautiful Hampton. So on behalf of people of Assam and people of Karbi I offer my gratefulness to Sri Conrad Sangma, Honorable CM of Meghalaya, for his love and affection to the people of Karbi and for the people of Assam. As I told you that this is an important day for the people of Karbi We have completed Hampton here in Shillong, and the next project, that commercial building as well as 100-bedded student hostel, will also come sooner than later. People of Karbi has a long bond with the people of Meghalaya. We share our boundary and we are friends. That is why a Karbi Bhavan in Shillong is very important milestone for all of us.